Lion CMP334 Chrome and Metal Polish is a non-abrasive formula that's safe for use on chrome, brass, stainless steel, aluminum, gold, silver, and copper. It easily removes rust, tarnish, and oxidation and leaves a brilliant shine. First, clean the area to remove any surface dirt. Next, shake bottle well to mix the formula, followed by applying to a soft cloth or applicator pad. Then, apply product in a circular motion. Finally, buff off after product is dried to a fine haze. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.